Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and the author of many books on drawing cartoons and figure drawing, and manga, and all sorts of stuff. Today, I'd like to show you how to draw a very popular character type, a wolf. But I've done some wolf videos already, but I haven't done one about a baby wolf, and those are adorable. So stick with me. It's easy if you follow the steps, and I'll show those to you. So let's start now. I'm going to start here, and I'm going to start kind of rough. Sketchy. I may make some changes. I always do as we go along because that's the process of character design. So we'll get that. We'll start with a basic shape, and I'll show you what that is right here. And don't worry if you have to erase. Erasing is good. You think that you can't erase, and you have to stick with every single thing you do, even if you don't like it. And that's not good. All right, so let's start. There's the wolf. I'm done. No, just joking. All right, here's the center line, and here is the eye line. And we're going to get our bearings here. I'm going to just put the ears right here on the sides. Go out like that. And I will actually bring this in a little more. I'd like to bring that in a little more. Yeah. Can you see that? So these kind of go up a little bit. All right, so now let's put this bridge of the nose right here. And we'll put the nose right here. So this is the snout. Not too big. He's going to be kind of a goofy little guy. All right, so here's the split lip like you have on a dog. Here's the cheeks right up here. I like to put those in right now, so it's like my directions. I'm mapping it right toward where it goes, but it doesn't go straight back. See, these are called the flews on a dog, and the wolves have them too. Right around here, and then it goes back. So it goes here. See that? You recognize that, right? Okay, now let's give him a look that's slightly off center. A little bit of teeth down here and a chin, but not a big chin, because cute characters, young characters, don't generally have big chins. So I'm going to make this a little bit more slender here. Give them less down here and more up here. You'll see when I do the final. I'll bring that snout down a little, making adjustments. And these adjustments are to make them look a little younger by emphasizing how little there is here and how big it is here. Here we go, just giving a little extra here. So let's give him big eyes. And they're spaced far apart, especially on a younger character. Makes it look really round. And a nice thin, long neck. And a big tuft of hair, but I'm ready to go. I am ready to go and make this dark and bring it to life. You ready? Here we go. Okay, so that's the nose, a little shine on it. It's the bridge of the nose. See how you give it length right here. A little bit of shading right there. Here's that cheek that we talked about. Comes in, and then around like this to the split lip. Slightly off center. And we'll bring that chin around, a very small chin. It's almost like a lip. Now let's make sure we have the head very fat on top, because that makes him look young. Very fat on top. Really bring those ruffles out. And now how about a couple ruffles down here? Those big eyes spread wide apart. And also big pupils. Big eyes without big pupils are not that cute. They could be very funny. You could have an appealing character, but the big pupils and big eyes is what gives them their cuteness. Or as a lot of people say, their cute secret sauce. Okay, not thick eyebrows on cute characters, because thick eyebrows are not for youngsters. And we're imitating the characteristics of a youngster. small ears, a real shock of hair on top. And last but not least, boop, boop, a couple of whiskers. But we don't want to give him like real whiskers because that look a little feral, and we don't really want that for our little wolfy pal here. All right, here we go. So I'll give a little bit of highlight here, a little shadow there, and under here, a little bit here, and a little here. And then we're done. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that. I have new videos every week. I give you tips and tricks, and I hope you'll join me, draw along with me, and take it back and draw by yourself. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.